All right, in math, this is lesson 2. We're going to be talking about adding 3-digit numbers, okay? And we're going to do session 1 and 2 today because there was no school on Monday. Okay, so use 10 blocks to model the number 147. Well, I'm going to need one of these, right? With a whole bunch of little squares. That would be 100. And how many 10s am I going to need?
4.
So that's the long ones that look like this. How many 1s am I going to need?
7.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how you model it, okay? Now go page 27. Okay, let's look at this problem. It says Ronnie has 147 songs in his MP3 player. Elaine has 212 songs in her MP3 player. How many songs do Ronnie and Ellen have in all? Okay, well, so what's the problem about? Sebastian?
It's about,
Seabass?
it's about 137 plus 212.
Okay. So they each have songs on their MP3 players, right? Okay. What are we trying to find out?
How much they have,
Say that again?
how much they have together.
Right? Here's what we're trying to find out right there. Right here. This is what we're trying to find out. How many songs do Rodney and Elaine have in all? Okay. What information is important? What do you think? Brant?
How many?
Okay, how many? Good. What else? What do we need? What information do we need and is important? Kiara? No, Kiara, I'm asking you. Look at the word problem. What information are we going to need in order to solve the problem? Well, look at the problem.
How many?
Okay, how many? Okay, but how many? So, what am I going to do? Avery?
You need to know how much songs they have. So, like, 140.
So I'm going to need 147 songs, and what else am I going to need?
212.
212. What am I going to do with both of those numbers? Add them. How do I know to add? There's a key word, a key phrase. Naomi?
It says
In all. This is what I'm going to need. So I need to add them, right? I have 147 plus 212. The lady said I have ones, tens, and hundreds. Which place do I start off with? Ones. That's what the video said. So what's 2 plus 7? 2 plus 7, everybody? 9. If I'm writing, what are you supposed to be doing?
Writing.
Okay. Do I need to carry anything to the tens place? No, because 9 is a single digit. So what's 4 plus 1?
5.
Again, do I have to carry anything to the hundreds place?
No.
And then in the hundreds place, what's 1 plus 2? 3. Okay. So look at page 28. Okay. Can you go ahead and solve this for me? Okay. It says 374 plus 122. Go and solve that for me now. So this is how you would set up the problem. Okay. Go and solve that for me, please. All right. Let's see. You should have something like this. Okay. First, You want to start with the ones column. So what's 2 plus 4? 6. 6 is a single digit. I don't have to carry anything to the tens place. So what's 2 plus 7? 9. And 1 plus 3? So that's what you should have. Okay. Okay, now we're going to do section 2. It says using place value strategies to add. Obviously, we needed to know what's the ones, tens, and hundreds place, right? Let's add this. It says 350 and 240. All right. When we're adding, does it matter what number goes to the top or bottom? No. So 240 240 plus 350 . All right, here's the ones place. What's 0 plus 0? 0. 4 plus 5? 9. 3 plus 2 plus 3? Okay. So you take 234 and write an expanded form like this: 200 plus 30 plus 4. Then take 162 and write that in expanded form: 100 plus 60 plus 2, and then you add all the columns, all the ones place, all the tens, and all the hundreds, and I get 396. I just put all those numbers together. Okay. I have Garcia has 130 trading cards. Mark has 280 cards. How many cards do Garcia and Mark have together? Okay, what's the problem I'm talking about? What's the problem about?
How many they have all together?
Okay, that's what I'm trying to solve. What am I adding? What do they have? No, what do they have? Cards, trading cards, right? Okay, and we know that Garcia has 130 and Mark has 280. Okay, so what are we trying to solve? What are we trying to find out? Say that again. They have how many cards altogether, right? So Kiara, what important information do we need?
How much it adds together.
Okay, but what information am I going to need in order to do that? Yes, I'm going to need how many cards does Garcia have and Mark have? I need those numbers, right? Those are important information that I need to know in order to solve the problem. All right. So let's solve it. 130, if I'm writing, you're writing, right? Plus 280. I add the numbers in the ones place. What's 0 plus 0? 0. 3 plus 8? 11. So what do I need to do? Okay, so I'm gonna put the number that it's in the ones place and on first, put it down, and then the one that was in the tens place, I need to carry it over to the hundreds place, right? Okay, because if it's 11 like this goes underneath right here, not right there, but here. Okay, and then this number I carry over. All right. So what's 1 plus 2? 3. Okay, and the plus the number that I carried, 4. That's what I want, and that's what I'm doing. Go to page 34. Solve this problem for me, please. 34. Okay. Solve this problem for me. It says a farm's new milk tank holds 185 more gallons than the old tank. The old tank holds 275 gallons. How many gallons does the new tank hold? What? Oh, it's still the same what we've been doing, okay? So go ahead and solve it. I'll set it up for you even. 185 plus 275. Solve that for me, please. All right, so I need to add. Okay, what numbers am I adding first? Yeah, the numbers in the ones place, right? So what's 5 plus 5?
10.
There's 10. What number goes at the bottom? 0. And what do I carry?
1.
Okay, so then what's 8 plus 7?
16.
What's 8 plus 7? 15 plus the 1 that I carried. 16. I put the 6 down, then I carry the 1. Now what's 1 plus 2?
4.
Okay, listen carefully. What's 1 plus 2? 3. Plus the 1 that I carried? 4. Okay, you should have this then.